Hey, Tate here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for SP500. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on a 30-minute time frame, we've had this count going on for a while where we had this as an ABC. Now the alternate for that, of course, is that we would have this as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 with some kind of ending diagonal here. Very ugly one, but again, I guess we could be placing it there. The issue I have with this structure would be that the extension here on this possible third wave would only get to the 1.382 and not anywhere close to the 1.618, which is again the reason why we would be expecting this to be turning down. Now if we are placing this ABC here, then this means that it is correcting something before it or is part of a larger correction. In this time I'm thinking that we still had this as an ABC into W and then looking for an X wave here somewhere. For this, we've possibly created this ABC here, and that strength of that move is starting to fade. If you're looking at RSI, we can see that we had peaks here around the third, which is expected here on 1 hour, and then we would be starting to get these divergences as we are forming new peaks. RSI is not creating new highs but lower highs. That is creating again divergences between the price and the RSI, giving us some kind of signals that okay, this move is about to end. That is again on 1 hour. On 30 minutes we have pretty much the same situation. We have this as some kind of a structure where we can see that lower peaks are created constantly while the price is still getting higher, and same thing can be seen on this 15-minute chart. Lower highs on each of these peaks basically. So I'm still looking for this to pivot downwards, even though I've been saying that for quite some time now. Feels like forever, to be honest. But nevertheless, I am still expecting this downwards move to end. Now we have already used quite a bit of time for this X wave. So before I had that idea of if this was indeed a very short structure like so, we did not get to the 38.2 in time. But now that we have extended this wave C so far in price as well, we have also used time quite a bit. So instead of this being a sub-micro, I would be expecting this to be a micro now, and labeling these or upgrading these into a different degree as well. There's just because again the time element. We don't need to be expecting wave X to be taking too much more time. So again, we are right around the 0.618 extension of this move here used in time. We're also around the golden pocket, almost there. Plus we don't really have anything else here, unfortunately. The 4-hour order block that we have here is still a bit higher, still like a percentage way, and also we have a daily there right in the middle of that 4-hour order block with that golden pocket just below it. So if we are going to go beyond this area here that we would be looking at, then I would be definitely looking to close my short positions here. I added yesterday a bit more here, and we'll see how this turns out. For me, it is looking like we definitely need some kind of pullback at least, but we can be labeling this still as let me turn that off. We can still be labeling this as a ABC into 1, 3 US pullback into 2, 3, 4 and 5. There is still possibility for that, so we could be at the very end of this whole wave structure, giving us that wave X ending, and of course at that point we would be looking for that wave Y to take place. After we have started to come down a bit, then we can take a look at the time projections for the wave Y, the minimums and the targets overall for as well. But I feel like that is pretty much all I'm going to be sharing today on SP500. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below, and for now I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.